Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss Unit 4, Chapter number 1, topic Entrepreneurship. Previous classes I discussed entrepreneur, but today I discuss entrepreneurship. What is the entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship means developing and managing a business venture. I write down. It refers to the concept of developing and managing a business venture in order to gain profit by taking several risks in the corporate world. My dear student, entrepreneur means a person who start a business. Entrepreneur means, previous lecture I discussed, entrepreneur means a person who start the business. But entrepreneurship, developing and managing the business. The very important point, developing and managing a business venture in order to gain profit. Every businessman is always time so that he always time thought that my profit level is high. So you have started the business. First of all, you have started. Example of the Kingfisher. Why Kingfisher is lost? Why Sahara Company is lost? But Kingfisher profit is high. Kingfisher Sahara Company profit is high, but they have to do some such type of the risk. My dear student, these entrepreneur and the entrepreneurship is mainly related to the financial subject, but and you always time discuss in the business. So I one example, Kingfisher and the Sahara Company. Why Sahara Company lost in the 9,000 crore, and Kingfisher, why Kingfisher is go to the bad debt? Why? But your entrepreneur and the entrepreneurship is the develop gain profit by taking risk. Kingfisher is starting the flight from all over area in all over world. किंगफिशर को सबसे ज्यादा नुकसान दिया स्पाइसजेट ने. स्पाइसजेट, why स्पाइसजेट is profit is the high? Why स्पाइसजेट is always time so to the profit is high level, and the Kingfisher is the nowadays time the out of the market, because this is the risk of the business. Kingfisher starting the flight from inside India, means internal part of the India. Kingfisher started from the Patna to New Delhi. Kingfisher is covered to the all over India. The business is the high, but Vijay Mallya is a very ayyash person, very romantic person. So the Kingfisher, आप जब Kingfisher फर्स्ट टाइम जर्नी करो जब Kingfisher में स्टार्टिंग जर्नी होता है तो Kingfisher दे हैव प्रोवाइड टू द वेरी हाई लेवल हेडफोन. आप लोग बैठो घर लेके भी जा सकते हो. तो Kingfisher ने कि आफ्टर की सम टाइम Kingfisher स्टार्ट द बिजनेस आउटसाइड इंडिया, बट you started the business in the inside India. Inside India the very risk because price is the high. Kingfisher price high. They have to the competitor in the SpiceJet same service provide but price is the low. This is the entrepreneurship. There are different such type of story. Your Kingfisher is starting in the outside India in business. They have to they know any such type of business is the gain to the profit, but they have to the entrepreneur. Yani means developing. Kingfisher first time started from the inside India, but after some time business started from the outside India. This is the develop of the business and managing a business. Why Kingfisher failure? Managing a business. Kingfisher ने मैनेज नहीं किया बिजनेस को और SpiceJet ने बिजनेस को मैनेज किया. They have to the successful in this market in the now time SpiceJet. So my dear student, कि entrepreneur means a person who start a business, and entrepreneurship the concept of developing and managing a business venture to gain profit by taking several risks in the corporate world. Again, entrepreneurship is an important driver of economic growth and innovation. Entrepreneur is the important driver. Entrepreneurship is the important driver and to the mainly it only time focus to the economic growth. My dear student, one school, Delhi Economics School. Delhi Economics School is the mainly focus to the entrepreneurship in the business because economics is interconnected to all over to the subject. So entrepreneur is the important driver is the economic growth and innovation. Innovation means suppose Kingfisher developed to the business but not to the managing a business. So Kingfisher is always time to the bad debt. Why Kingfisher is not innovated? Kingfisher के पास प्लेन कम था, नंबर ऑफ प्लेन कम था, सर्विस प्रोवाइड ज्यादा किया इन्होंने. आप एग्जांपल ले लो डेल कंपनी, example of the Dell company and the example of the Lenovo. Why Dell company is the successful and the Lenovo is the unsuccessful? Because they have to the entrepreneur means the person who established the business, but Dell company is the successful and the Lenovo is the not successful. And the Samsung is the Korean company. Samsung is the Samsung laptop failure. Why the Dell successful and the two companies are successful? You think about it. आपको मैं एक बात बताता हूँ, ये जिस हर एक टॉपिक का एक मीनिंग है. डेल नो एनी सच टाइप ऑफ एडवर्टीजमेंट, डेल ने कभी कोई एडवर्टीजमेंट नहीं दिया. सैमसंग दे हैव टू द ऑल द टाइम एडवर्टीजमेंट, अगेन फेल्योर. लेनोवो लेनोवो ने भी एडवर्टीजमेंट दिया अगेन वीडियो, बट डेल ने एडवर्टीजमेंट दिया इनके मुताबिक कम दिया। जी न्यूज पर सेकेंड the charge from the 4.8 crore rupees they have to the survey from the 2013-14 आज तक the 1 second 3.8 करोड़। अब सोचो कि एक सेकंड, एक मिनट या एक सेकंड के लिए, एक मिनट के लिए 4.8 करोड़ रुपया पे हो रहा है एडवर्टीजमेंट कॉस्ट। Why the failure of the Lenovo? And because the service is the bad and their service is the good. You one time calling to the customer care and the customer care is put on the date suppose 7th September. Suppose the Dell company is 6 September in present of your home. So this is the good services. So this is the entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurship only focus to the economic growth and to the innovation. Again, my second point. Entrepreneurship is a high risk. Entrepreneurship is a high risk, but also can be high reward of it several to generate economic wealth growth and innovation. Entrepreneur is a high risk, but can be high rewarded of the several generate economic wealth growth and to the innovation. Your company, suppose you open to the school, they have to the huge ever profit, but they have to the always time risk cover. So the entrepreneurship is always time covering to the high risk, but you focus on to the economic growth, economic wealth is good, growth is good, and to the innovation is good. My dear students, this is my last topic in today. The topic is enterprise. The topic name is enterprise. What is the enterprise? Enterprise is another word for a profit business, a company. Enterprise means profit business, a company. Enterprise, there are two types of enterprise: public sector enterprise and the private sector enterprise. So enterprise profit business, a company, a project or understanding that is especially difficult, complicated and risky. So this is the enterprise. Enterprise means profit business, a company. Yeah, a project is understanding that you first time open to the project, they have to the first difficult, complicated, and to have to the risky. This is the in entrepreneurship and this is the enterprise. Thank you so much.